Imagine a drone that doesn't just fly but thinks, avoids obstacles, plans routes, and even delivers your favorite pizza. Sounds cool, right? That's the magic of artificial intelligence in drones. But have you ever wondered what goes into making these drones so smart? And more importantly, how much does it cost to integrate AI to them? Let's break it down. AI in drones isn't just about new technology. It's about teaching drones to be smarter and more reliable. Here's what AI brings to drones. Obstacle detection and avoidance. AI helps drones spot objects, like trees or buildings, and dodge them. Autonomous flight. AI lets drones fly independently without a pilot. Target tracking. Imagine drones chasing a moving object, which makes it perfect for security or delivery. Image and data analysis. AI allows drones to process data they collect, like scanning crops or inspecting bridges. But these smart abilities require special software, hardware, and time, which is where costs start adding up. At Apptunix, our developers are well-versed in AI technologies and understand the requirements that fit your standards. We strive to offer you a solution that is robust and cost-effective. Now, let's dive into the main factors that affect the cost of implementing AI to drones. First is AI development. Creating AI systems for drones involves complex coding, testing, and optimization. This development alone can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $50,000, depending on how advanced you want the drone to be. Then comes hardware upgrades. AI needs powerful hardware to function smoothly. Processors. Drones need AI-friendly processors like NVIDIA Jetson, which can cost $500 to $2,000. Sensors, cameras, LiDAR, and GPS systems for AI to gather data cost $100 to $10,000, depending on quality. Next, training the AI. AI doesn't just know what to do. It has to be trained with data. Data collection. Gathering images or videos for training can cost $2,000 to $20,000. Machine learning models. Developing and fine-tuning these models takes skilled professionals, adding to costs. At last, maintenance and updates. AI isn't set it and forget it. Regular updates are needed to keep it sharp and adapt to new challenges. This ongoing maintenance can cost $1,000 to $5,000 annually. There are other hidden costs that are associated with AI in drones, like regulatory compliance. AI-powered drones often need to follow strict rules, especially for commercial use. Getting certifications or permissions adds costs. Scalability. Want to use multiple AI drones? Scaling up means duplicating hardware and software, increasing overall expenses. Customization. Every industry has unique needs. A drone for farming requires different AI from a delivery drone. You need to customize drone AI features based on your needs. Now, the overall cost of integrating AI into drone technology will be around $20,000 to $80,000 for a simple project, while a complex project with advanced features and functionality can reach around $180,000 or more. At Apptunix, with 11+ years of experience, we offer AI development services for drones to make them smarter and more efficient. Here's what we bring to the table: custom AI solutions. We provide tailored solutions for your industry, whether it's agriculture, logistics, or security. End-to-end support, from AI design to implementation and maintenance, we handle it all. Affordable packages, we work within your budget without compromising quality. With Apptunix, turning your drone vision into reality becomes simple and cost-effective. Remember, it is important to understand the AI application development process and other factors. However, by working with a reliable partner like Apptunix, you can create a successful AI drone application in no time. For more information, simply click the link below in the description.